Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing Dolly from Toy Story. So let's get started. To draw this cute doll, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across, not too wide, say about here, and draw another circle. There. So now my two circles in, I'm going to come inside and in the center, I'm just going to draw another circle. So I'm just going to give it a little white edge all the way around. And then put a highlight right here and shade it all in. So same thing over here. There, so I'm going to come in here and just make this a little bit bigger. Okay, so now that I have the eyes in, I'm going to come underneath and draw her mouth. So let's say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve and then widen up the lips, the mouth. So I'm going to bring it down and open it up. And then right about here, we're going to give her a little to front teeth. And then I'm not going to do it with Sharpie, but around this curve right here are her lips. So I'm just going to lightly just draw a curve right here, just for a little indication. And then of course we need to give her a brow. So let's come above right here and here. Just draw a curve. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw her face. So I'm going to come to the top of the eye and come out, say about this way, nice and wide. And same thing over here, approximately about right here on both sides. And then from there, we're going to draw a round curve all the way around. So just start off right there, and then we're going to bring it down. So I'm just going to come back to my center. And let's say about right here is kind of where I want to end. So it just makes it a little bit easier for me to see where I'm going. And I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve to this point. So just a very round bottom of a U. So same thing over here. Just definitely turn your paper or your body if you need to. There. So now that I have this, I'm going to bring this part in a little bit. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go back up above this eye, maybe like the center of the eye. I'm going to go up and say about right here. Just going to give myself a point, and this is where her hair parts. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a curve coming down to here. And then on this side, we're going to go a little bit above her brow. And just going to go this way. It's just easier for my hand to draw it this way to finish up the curve. There. And then whatever space you have left, just finish it up. So then from there, in this area, we need to draw her hair clips. So I'm going to come into this area, sorry, and might have to do some erasing. Let's see here. I'm just going to erase a little bit, but I just wanted to show you kind of this little butterfly shape. So it's curve and then another curve right here. And then there's this little part inside. And so same thing here. Kind of just maybe use this part of her hair. So maybe I don't need to erase on this one. And the little detail inside. So it's like drawing a butterfly. Actually, I could have used that part of her hair too. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm going to go ahead and come back to about right here, and we're going to just draw the top of her hair. So same thing here. And let's go ahead and go around. There. And then of course she has the hair on the sides. So let's come about right here where her hair clip is, and we're going to bring it out. Say about right there, and then kind of fan it out. So I'm going to draw one strand, bring it in. Well, not strand, one bunch. Come out a little bit, one panel, and another one, and then one more. Come in, and in. There. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side, about right here. And if it's easier, you can do it this way. You can just come here and come out so that you have the general outside shape first. And I just want to make sure I'm about the same area on the other side. So about right there. And just bring it in. So then you can come back and put in one strand and then finish this one off. So maybe that might be an easier way to draw it. So just play around with it. Okay, so her hair is done. So now let's draw her cute little body. So let's say about right here. I'm going to give her a little collar on both sides. And then we're going to pop out her little shoulder, just a tiny little bit. And then we're going to angle her dress out. There, just keep going to maybe about right here. A little bit more. And now that we're about the same height, let's go ahead and connect it with a bunch of zigzags, because she's kind of like a rag doll, right? So I'm just gonna zigzag all the way across. There, but add a slight curve. And since I'm down here, I'm going to find my center, which is about right here, and I'm going to go to the left and then go to the right to draw her legs. So let's bring this out, and about right here, thicken it up, and I'm just going to make them not too long. So that's about right here, pop it out for her shoe and connect. And just come in here and put in a curve. So same thing on this side. Right there, thicken it up, pop it out, there, and connect. Make it a little bit lower. Okay, so now that I have that, and yes, I'm definitely going to need to erase. And let's go back and draw her arms. So let's say about right here, just going to pop them out to about right here, round it off, and bring it in. And put in two lines right here. Thank goodness, it's nice and simple, right? So same thing here. We're just aiming to make it about the same size. So say about right here. And connect. And put in two lines once again. Right there. So then for some details in her skirt, we need to draw that very big button right in this area. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw a really big circle. And then to make it look like a button, I'm going to lightly draw another circle inside. And then we're going to draw, let's see, some in the center area. I'm going to put in kind of like this plus sign right in the center. And then around the tops right here, just draw a curve. So it makes it look like the thread is going in. And then connect one of them. There. So hopefully that helped you. And then we're going to draw another button right about here in the center area. This is kind of like the metal button, and I'll just put a heart on this one for mine to make her my Draw So Cute Dolly. And then one last button about right here. It's kind of like a square button at an angle. There. And once again, little detail right inside. And of course, there's going to be these stitch lines going across, and they're green, but I just wanted to show you where they would go all the way across. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Dolly from Toy Story. And oh yeah, when you color her skirt, her dress, there's a bunch of polka dots, but that is pretty much it. And I really hope you loved how she turned out and that I helped you draw her fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.